welcome back to my channel. It's Beverly here. In today's tutorial I created this makeup look for you guys, so if you want to see how I achieve the look, then go ahead and keep on watching. And I want to quickly just say thank you guys so much for all the love and support on my last video, and I'm super excited to get back to it and start uploading regularly so that you guys can enjoy my content. So the palette that I went in with today is the new Makeup Revolution Friends collaboration, and I used the palette Forever Flawless We Were on a Break palette. And this is what it looks like on the inside. It's giving me like spring pastel vibes. So the first shade that I went in with is the shade Closure, which is this really beautiful light blue shade, and I just put that in my crease with a big fluffy blending brush, just going in back and forth motions and circular motions. And then next I went into the shade Foosball, which is a little bit darker of a blue shade, and it's also matte, so I just picked that up with a defined angled brush, and I started to map out where I want to add definition in my crease. And don't worry, it does look a little bit crazy, but we will be blending it out. I went into that first transition shade that we first used, and I just put that directly over that line just to blend it out, going in back and forth motions and circular motions. And then taking that first transition shade and a little bit of that deeper blue shade, I just started to pack that on my outer lid, fading it inwards, just to give a really nice gradient effect. And by adding depth in the outer corner, you're going to make the inner corner appear a little bit more bright and open. And then moving on to the lower lash line, I just used that first transition shade just to give a little bit more dimension to the eye. But I did leave the inner portion of the lower lash line bare. And then I went in with some mascara. And this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so that you guys never ever miss out on a video. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!